Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today, let's make delicious Ghana Bofrot. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to support my channel. Also like and share this video. So guys, let's start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Then add instant active yeast. If you are not using active yeast, make sure you prove your yeast before you add. Then add white sugar, a pinch of salt, and also a pinch of turmeric. After you are done adding all the dry ingredients, use a spatula, fork or a whisk to mix to combine everything together. After mixing, then add in your beat egg. So for today's recipe, I'm using only 1 whole raw egg. After you're done adding your egg, then add your milk gradually while you mix. So for today's recipe, you can also use warm water, and don't make a mistake of adding all the wet ingredients once if you want to achieve a perfect dough for your snacks. So once you form a dough, switch over to using your hand to knead your dough. After kneading the dough for some time and you form a fine dough, then go ahead and add your soft butter, and make sure you are using unsalted butter for this recipe. After adding in the butter, continue kneading your dough until you form a perfect dough for your snacks. I need my dough for about 5 to 8 minutes, but if you are using a food processor, it will be less than that. Once you achieve a stretchy dough and a smooth dough, then form a ball shape with the dough, cover the dough and let it rest for about 14 minutes. 40 minutes later, as you can see, the volume of the dough increased. Then uncover the dough and take it out from the bowl. Place it on your clean and dried surface. Then use a dough cutter to divide the dough into 6 portions. After dividing the dough into 6 portions, then take out 1 portion of the dough, make a ball shape with it, and make sure that your dough ball shape is smooth. Repeat the same process with the remaining portions of the dough until you finish everything. So after shaping your dough, take out your baking tray, then place your baking paper on it, sprinkle some flour, then arrange the ball-shaped dough on your baking tray. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for another 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, place your deep saucepan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, then allow the vegetable oil to heat up. After you are done heating up your vegetable oil, start adding your ball-shaped dough. Fry your snacks on a medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes or until your snacks turn golden brown. Once it's turned golden brown, flip the other side and let it fry for another 5 minutes. Once you are done frying your bofrot, use a strainer to take them off the heat, then repeat the same process with your remaining dough until you finish frying everything. Finally guys, our snacks is ready, and today is actually my first time of trying out this Ghana Bofrot snacks. I hope I tried my Ghanaian family. If you like this recipe, don't forget to tell me what you think about it on the comment section. Also like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do support my channel by subscribing and also like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.